Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like, give us a thumbs up. If you're watching us on YouTube, please move on over to Rumble. Well, it's 11 degrees this morning. 11 degrees. Quite chilly. Is that going to come out of the ground? Ooh, that's a big one. Yes, not impressed. As I've been saying all week. Oh, look, the squash and the compost pile. It's trying to give us fruit. I haven't been taking care of these in the compost pile because it's a compost pile. If we'd had more rain this summer, might have actually gotten some squash out of the compost pile. The potatoes that started to grow in there, I just abandoned them too. No rain. If there had been some rain, you never know. Well, there's our weird little pepper that we look at every episode that we haven't used. But we did use quite a bit of these peppers. Not too many left. In the batch of pickled zucchini canning yesterday. They're all 500 milliliter cans, so little peppers worked perfectly to put into them. Yeah, our tomatoes are just falling off the vine now that they're so ripe. I ate a couple I shouldn't have, but they're so delicious. Well, our other pepper plants, some of them will rot off. I won't get to them. And our giant sunflower, which has yet to bloom, unlike the one up front. So, another zucchini I missed yesterday on the other side. It was quite big, but not super big. I might have even actually tried to barbecue it, but I had pasta on the brain yesterday. I was having pasta. I wasn't having zucchini. Let's get everything down here. Still, yeah, nothing new. Yep, some more flowering. And there's our mess of vines that had the giant zucchini. There's a mess of vines that was trapped behind this post here and just fell over into the path. So we'll just let it keep going. Just in time for me to get rid of all the weeds in the path through repeated hot water, boiled water treatments after having my second breakfast in the mornings, of which I'm very hungry for right now. Oh, is that a vine? Got some vine action. Yeah, and another sneaky zucchini. Okay, well, we're doing all right. The basil has gone to bolt. So hopefully get some seeds off that. And start some pots for the winter. So you can always have some basil on the go. Beautiful, fresh basil. Oh, just the best thing to add to the pasta dish. Well, collected some beans yesterday. Like, I don't even think I got 10 beans. So I kept them for today. Hopefully we'll get some more. Well, our potatoes in ground will continue to do okay. far better than these. But as I've been digging up the troubled plants, the other ones have continued to grow. So it seems that all the potatoes are created equal. And our hardy kale. Ah yes, the kale plant will continue to grow right into the snow. It'll be the last thing providing out of the garden. Talk about snow on a day like this when it's 11 degrees Celsius in the morning. Oh, more vine. Oh yes, that's right. I'll just let you go. Our squash boxes. Well, with this cold weather coming in, I'll see what it does to the plants. Now it's supposed to warm up again Thursday. Today's Monday. And have another nice weekend of highs of 27. I knew that the highs of the 30s was going to go away soon. And the last one was yesterday. Well, it'll be interesting once we get all the squashes picked to see what the final count is. All right, well, let us go in the front and go have a look at Butch. We'll stop off at the lavender. All right, look at this. Look at this action going on here. Got a bit of wind. Okay. Let's go see how our corner sunflower's doing. Still filling in. Bloody train. Ah. Well, our corner pumpkin had those little attacks on it there yesterday. It'll survive that. And how's our zucchini doing? Oh, looks like the pollination we did yesterday on these two zucchinis has worked. We'll get 2 rib zucchinis at the same time. And Butch, look at you, Butch. Hey, what's going on? Why is there so much weight pulling you forward? Is it down here? No, okay, it's just the weight of the flower. Survived that broken stem a couple months ago, only to have the wall hold you up. Maybe I'll grab a rock, stuff that between the wall and the plant. All right, how's that other pumpkin plant doing? Well, it's continuing to survive. Sure glad I saw that trick on that other gardening channel about the bearing the root. Trains are loud. So the other flower hasn't opened yet. And our morning glories are doing just fine. Let's go down there and have a look at that one. Yes. And we've got our welcome. Yeah. Okay. Well, if you've hung out till the end, really appreciate it. If you've been following the channel since the beginning, you've seen the progress. Looks like we just have to prop up Butch a little this morning. Other than that, the box is looking pretty good. Thank you all for coming out. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.